Today I am reviewing the Roborock Qrevo series robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Get ready to revolutionize your home cleaning experience with the Roborock Qrevo series robot vacuum and Mop QV35A. This is not just another robot vacuum. It's an all-in-one solution designed to handle even the toughest cleaning tasks effortlessly. Let's dive into why this robotic cleaner is setting a new standard in smart home cleaning. First, let's talk about powerful suction. The QV35A delivers an impressive 8,000 pascals HyperForce suction, capable of lifting embedded dirt, stubborn debris, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard-to-reach corners. Whether it's dust hiding in carpet fibers or crumbs scattered across your hardwood floors, this robot makes sure every surface is spotless. One of the standout features is its all-in-one docking station. This advanced dock automatically empties dust into a sealed 2.7-liter bag, which can last up to 7 to 9 weeks. It also refills the water for mopping, thoroughly washes the mop pads, and dries them, so your Qrevo is always ready for the next cleaning cycle. This is true hands-free cleaning for busy households. Say goodbye to tangle brushes with the tangle-free brush system. The upgraded asymmetrical side brush is SGS certified to prevent hair tangling entirely, while the full rubber spiral main brush keeps pet hair and debris from wrapping around it. Homes with pets or long-haired residents will especially appreciate this feature. The QV35A uses advanced reactive tech obstacle avoidance to navigate your home intelligently. It detects and avoids furniture, cords, shoes, and other common obstacles while automatically identifying no-go zones like stairs or tight spaces. This ensures uninterrupted cleaning without the frustration of your robot getting stuck. For mopping, the QV35A steps up the game with dual 200 revolutions per minute spinning mops and a 10mm lift system. These high-speed pads scrub away tough stains while adjusting water levels across 30 settings for any floor type, from delicate hardwoods to durable tiles. The 10mm lift ensures it transitions seamlessly over low-pile carpets, leaving no wet mess behind. Navigation is precise and efficient thanks to Precise Sense LiDAR technology. The robot scans 360 degrees to create detailed, real-time maps of your home. Multi-floor mapping supports up to 4 levels, making it perfect for multi-story houses, while optimizing cleaning routes for maximum efficiency. Finally, the Roborock app gives you total control. Schedule cleanings, set custom routes, check machine status, and even integrate voice commands with compatible devices. For ultimate convenience, it works with smartwatches, widgets, and other smart home systems. In summary, the Roborock Qrevo QV35A is a complete cleaning powerhouse. From its hyper-suction and anti-tangle brushes to smart obstacle avoidance and automated mop cleaning, it takes the work out of home maintenance. It's perfect for pet owners, busy families, and anyone who values a spotless home with minimal effort. Upgrade your cleaning game and experience smart, hands-free, and efficient floor care with the Roborock Qrevo QV35A today.